So good morning all dear friends. Last time we had learnt about discounted bill dishonored, and obviously today we will learn about deposited bill dishonored practical question. So in our sheets we have question number 9 which talks about deposited bill dishonored. Let us try to understand the question carefully. It says Mohan drew a bill on Sohan of rupees 6,000 on 10th March 2005 at 3 months. Sohan accepted it and returned it to Mohan. Mohan deposited the bill in the bank for collection on 2nd May 2005. The bill was dishonored on maturity. Record necessary journal entries in the books of Mohan and Sohan. Also prepare Sohan's account in the books of Mohan and Mohan's account in the books of Sohan. As you know that noting charges amounted to rupees 50. So a very simple question we are having which is related to bills of exchange. The two parties concerned are Mohan and Sohan, where Mohan is the drawer and Sohan is the drawee. Number 9 solution. We will write in the books of Mohan journal entries. As we all by this time know that every journal has 5 columns. The first column being the date column, next one particulars, then ledger folio, debit and credit. जैसे आप पेंसिल से बनते हो, मैं यहाँ पर जो है I prepare with the help of the tables. So date, particulars, debit and credit. So the first transaction that we are given is on 10th March 2005. So 2005 March 10. Look at the transaction. वापस वही बोला है, मोहन ड्रीव अ बिल ऑन सोहन. मोहन ने सोहन पर बिल ड्रॉ किया. तो जर्नल में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, हमने सीखा है मोहन के बुक्स में जर्नल एंट्री आएगा बिल्स रिसीवेबल अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू सोहन्स अकाउंट. नरेशन विल बी being bill drawn. What was the amount of bill? 6,000. Narration बोलोगे being bill drawn. Same date को नहीं, rather 2nd May 2005 को मोहन deposited the bill in the bank. जब बैंक में डिपॉजिट करता है तो जर्नल एंट्री बनेगा बैंक फॉर कलेक्शन अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू बिल्स रिसीवेबल अकाउंट being bill deposited. Amount would be again 6,000. Now friends, मार्च 10 तारीख को 3 महीने का बिल बनाया. तो मार्च 10 के बाद आएगा अप्रैल, मई एंड जून. तो जून 13 को बिल डिसऑनर होगा. आई वांट ऑल ऑफ यू टू राइट what journal entry will be passed in the books of Mohan for dishonor of deposited bill. Please write in your chat box now. What journal entry will be passed in the books of Mohan for deposited bill dishonored? Everyone start writing. घाई करने का जरूरत नहीं है. टेक योर टाइम, राइट इट डाउन प्रॉपरली. June 13th, what journal entry will be passed in the books of Mohan the drawer for deposited bill dishonored? Yes, very good. The initial answers itself are very encouraging. Super. आपको अभी तक मालूम पड़ गया है that Sohan's account will be always debited, and since the bill is deposited, bank for collection account will be credited. Noting charges ड्रॉवर के बुक्स में नहीं आएगा ऋतुजा पाउशे. नोटिंग चार्जेस ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ ड्रॉई के बुक्स में आता है. ड्रॉवर के बुक्स में उसको कैश अकाउंट के रूप में लिखते हैं. सो इट इज सोहन्स अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू बैंक फॉर कलेक्शन अकाउंट टू कैश अकाउंट. बीइंग बिल डिसऑनर्ड, नरेशन आएगा being bill dishonored and noting charges incurred. So Sohan's account will be debited for a 6,050 rupees. Two bills bank for collection account 6,000. To cash account amount will be 50. I hope this is very clear with all of you. And as far as Sohan is concerned, I'm pretty sure each one of you know what is the sequence of journal entries. Please let me know what journal entries transaction sequence will be passed in the books of Sohan. क्या journal entries सोहन के बुक्स में पास किया जाएगा? ट्रांजैक्शंस जरा जल्दी से बताओ मुझे मेरे दोस्तों. Not all transactions will be recorded in the books of Sohan. Write down the list of transactions. I'm waiting for your answers. Yes, my dear friends, what transactions will be recorded in the books of Sohan? Bill accepted and bill dishonored. Very true, very correct. So, first entry, he accepts a bill drawn by Mohan. So, journal entry will be Mohan's account debited, bills payable account, being bill accepted. Being bill accepted, the amount of bill was 6,000, and on the due date, the bill is now dishonored. तो dishonor होगा, journal entry आएगा, bills payable account debited, noting charges account debited to Mohan's account. Narration वही होंगे, सेम जो हमने सीखा था, that is being bill dishonored, being bill dishonored and noting charges incurred. So the amount of bill is 6,000. The amount of noting charges is 50. To Mohan's account, amount will be 6050. My dear friends, after this they have asked us to prepare ledger also. मैंने जानबूझ के नहीं बनाया, and I know that you must have understood. I want you to solve the ledger account. Are you ready to prepare the ledger account in the books of Mohan? I want all of you to prepare Sohan's account, and in the books of Sohan, I want all of you to prepare Mohan's account. without wasting much of your time, start writing journal entries. आप जर्नल के बाद लेजर इमीडिएट बना सकते हो. फिर मैं एक एक का बुक्स चेक करूंगा, जैसा अपन वीडियो ऑन करके we will check it. We will do that part. So dear friends, start writing journal